Hi, I'll be working on question 13 for the chapter 6 homework. And this question is asking me to first find a slope between 2 points, two pair coordinates. And then we will then use set slope to find the y-intercept of the line between those 2 points. So to start off, we have to make the slope function. And then to find the slope, it would be this y2 coordinate minus the first y coordinate over x2 minus x1. And then we will return the result. Now that we have our slope, oh yeah, let's test it. See if it works. 5, 3, 4, 2. Oh, forgot to print it. One for that coordinate, and yep, seems about right. Now that our slope is functional, we can make the y-intercept function. So to figure out this, I need to remember that the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. But, so y equals mx plus b, but if you were to isolate b in the equation, it would be b equals y minus mx. So this is what I'm trying to solve for, b. So yeah, since we have our y coordinate, which is y1, and m, which is our slope in this function, and x from x1, we basically have everything to solve for b. I forgot to add docstring here. My bad. Now that we have our docstring, we can start typing the code. So first, we will define our m, which is slope of x1, y1, x2, y2. Then we will define our b value, which is that formula that I wrote down before. So it's to have a decimal value in the overall answer, I will be using a float function for it too. So what we had was y1 minus m times x1. And yeah, this is what we had before when I typed it down. Everything seems good now, and all we have to do now is return b. And now to see if it's working, we will test out one of the points that we're given. What are the numbers? Oh, 1, 6, 3, 12. 1, 6, 3, 12. I think I have everything correct. Now we just go for a run. 3.0. And that matches this answer right here. And that's all we have for question 13 for chapter 6.